guys, it's Emily here with Trend Signal's Trades of the Week. Today I'm going to be showing you a few trades we had last week, all of which were actually against the long-term trend. So the first trade we have here is US dollar Swiss on the daily charts. And as you can see from this green sniper circle here, we entered this trade on the 6th of February. Now, as this was against the long-term trend, we have a 100 pip target for this. And a few days later, on the 8th, we reached our target. For our next trades, we have Euro Great British Pound on the daily charts. We entered this trade on the 29th of January, as you can see from this green sniper circle here, when the candle was at a close of 0.8796. Now, once again, this trade is against the long-term trend, so we have a 100 pip target. And a week later, on the 6th of February, we actually hit our target for this trade. Finally, we have Aussie dollar, US dollar. As you can see from this red sniper circle here, we took a sell on this trade on the 2nd of February. The candle this time closed at 0.8037. And once again, we have a 100 pip target because it is against the long-term trend. Now, we actually closed out on this trade the next day on the 2nd of February. If you'd like to see more of how we do this, then please click the links below to book into one of our online webinars where you can see more of the recent trades we place and how these strategies can help you be profitable with your trading.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.